Atlanta's top cop is urging the White House to give legal status to illegal immigrants living in our country peacefully.
He says doing so would make it a lot easier for police officers to fight crime.
CBS Atlanta's Rebecca Schramm is asking the tough questions about this controversial topic. Rebecca's live outside the Martin Luther King Jr. Center in Atlanta.
Stephanie, the group of law enforcement executives felt like this was the appropriate place to make such an announcement. They want comprehensive reform on the hot-button topic of immigration.
We haven't had a major problem with enforcing any of the laws in the city of Atlanta.
Atlanta Police Chief Richard Pennington joined other prominent minority law enforcement officers in urging the White House and Congress to overhaul the nation's immigration laws. They don't have to do much convincing with Georgia Congressman Hank Johnson.
I think people would gladly show some ID and come across the border for limited purposes if there was a mechanism to do so.
The group has a powerful ally, the Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Atlanta.
And those in the shadows now should be given legal status so that they can come out of the shadows, identify themselves to the government, and begin to become integrated into American society.
The group, the National Organization of Black Law Enforcement Executives, is backing the move for immigration reform. Its members, including Chief Pennington, say as it stands now, the federal government has passed the buck on fixing the broken system. That, they say, has made it tough for local cops to fight crime when illegal immigrants, afraid of being deported, refuse to help. I asked Chief Pennington the tough question.
Are you saying that local law enforcement officials should turn a blind eye to illegal immigration?
No, I'm not saying that at all. In fact, we have a responsibility to enforce state and local laws, and we will continue to do that.
I asked Congressman Johnson whether he and his colleagues will tackle immigration reform anytime soon when health care reform has taken center stage in Washington right now. He says it certainly won't happen quickly. Live at the King Center in Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS Atlanta News.
Well, interesting to hear the chief on that. Thanks, Rebecca.